What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing good. In this video we'll be talking about Python installation. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and without wasting time, let's start this video. So guys, first go to Chrome and search Pycharm. So you'll get a doubt what is Pycharm. So Pycharm is a compiler of Python. After searching Pycharm, click on the first link on the top of the right corner. Click on the download button and you will see a community option there, and click on the download button. I'm cancelling the download because I've already have the Pycharm. Now go to the new tab and search Python 3.6 and click on the first link and scroll down to files, then click Windows x86-64 web based installer. And don't worry if you're not getting this, I have already given the links in description. And open the Python file, click install now and click yes, and it will install in the PC. After installing, close the file, then go to Pycharm file and open it. And click on next, and again click on next and select these options and click on next and then press install. Select I want to manually reboot later. Click on the finish button. So like this you can install Pycharm. So if you're not subscribed to YouTube channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon. So thanks for watching, and we'll also make Python classes very soon. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and